Hey kids, today we're going to be learning about using the edit menu commands in OpenOffice. The commands that we will be learning about in the edit menu are cut, copy, paste, select all, and undo. These are some of the most important edits that you can do when working in OpenOffice and many other programs as well. Now, even though they're not edit menu commands, we will also be talking about the clipboard and keyboard shortcuts. Let's start by learning about the clipboard. We all know that a clipboard is a board, usually made of wood or plastic, that we can clip a piece of paper to. Your computer clipboard is an invisible storage place that can temporarily hold some information that we want to move from one location to another. Most of the time, when we use the clipboard, we are moving information from the document to the clipboard and then off the clipboard either back to the document in another location or onto a different document. Here we can see in this animation how the clipboard simply serves as a temporary storage as the information moves from one location to the next. A keyboard shortcut is a combination of keys that we can press on the keyboard that will do the exact same action as commands in the menu. Once you learn the keyboard shortcuts, you will be able to do your editing much faster and easier. Keyboard shortcuts are usually made of a combination of a modifier key like Command, Control, Shift, or Option, and a letter or number. The first edit command we will talk about today is cut. Cut is when we remove information from the document and move it to the clipboard. Notice that once I've cut information, it is removed from the document. Also notice that the cut information is not deleted, it's just been moved. The keyboard shortcut for cut is Command X. The next command we will learn about is copy. Copy is similar to cut in that we are moving information to the clipboard, but the difference is with copy, we are only moving a copy of the information to the clipboard and the original stays where it was in the document. This is really useful to move that copy back to the document if you need multiple copies of the same information. The keyboard shortcut for copy is Command C. That last step you saw of moving the information from the clipboard back to the document is called paste. Notice that when I paste information from the clipboard to the document, a copy stays on the clipboard. This is useful if I want to paste several copies of the same information into the same document. I can paste information into a document as many times as I need to. Keyboard shortcut for paste is Command V. So let's take a break and review those three edit commands that we just learned. Cut is when we remove information from the document and move it to the clipboard, and the keyboard shortcut is Command X. Copy is when we move a copy of the information to the clipboard, leaving the original in place on the document, and the keyboard shortcut is Command C. And paste is when we move information from the clipboard back to the document, and the keyboard shortcut is Command V. Select all is a very useful command when you have a full page of information that you want to select so that you can edit or format it. Instead of using your mouse to drag and select the information, you can go to the edit menu and choose Select All. This will select all the text in your document or text box. This is especially handy when you have a document that is longer than one page. Keyboard shortcut for Select All is Command A. The last edit command we're going to learn about today is probably the most important, and that's undo. Selecting undo from the edit menu automatically undoes the last edit you made. So if you tried something that ruined your document, or you made an editing or formatting mistake, you can select undo and your document will go back to the way it was before. The even faster way to undo a mistake is to use its keyboard shortcut, which is Command Z. Now you may be wondering why we're using such odd letters for the keyboard shortcuts. C for copy makes sense, but why does Z mean undo or V mean paste? If you look down at your keyboard now, you'll see that these four letters Z, X, C, and V all sit next to each other on the keyboard near the modifier keys. All your most important edit commands are placed together near the command key so that they're easy to reach and easy to remember. These are sometimes referred to as your power keys. Z is for undo, X is for cut, C is for copy, and V is for paste. Now let's move over to OpenOffice and see how these edit commands work in the word processor. Here we are in an open Office document, and we're going to practice using the edit commands that we've just learned about. If I wanted to copy this sentence so that I had multiple copies, I could do that using the edit commands. First, I need to select the text that I want to edit. Then I go to the Edit menu and choose Copy. Remember, this puts an exact copy on the clipboard for me to paste wherever I want. Now I'm going to paste it back into the document. I go to the Edit menu and choose Paste. I can do that as many times as I need until I have a full paragraph of these sentences. Now that I've got this paragraph here, I've noticed I forgot to put my name at the top of the page. So I'm going to select my paragraph, cut it to the clipboard, type my name, and then paste the paragraph back to the document in the right place. I can do all these things using the commands in the Edit menu. So first I need to be sure to select the text that I want to edit. So I'm going to drag my cursor across the entire paragraph, come up to the Edit menu, and choose Cut. Now remember that when we cut text, it is not deleted, just moved temporarily to the clipboard. I'm going to put my name in now, and then paste the paragraph back underneath it, either using the Edit menu and choosing Paste, or I can use the keyboard shortcut Command V to paste that paragraph back in place. Remember that when I paste from the clipboard, a copy remains on the clipboard, so I can paste again. I'm going to move down and paste a few more of these paragraphs, again using the keyboard shortcut Command V. Now let's say I made a mistake and pasted too many paragraphs. I can always go back up to my Edit menu and choose Undo, or use the keyboard shortcut Command Z, which will undo the last edit that I have done. So I click Undo, and that last paragraph has gone away. The last thing we're going to practice today is the Select All command. Now I have multiple paragraphs here, and if I need to cut or copy them to the clipboard, I could drag my cursor across all the paragraphs, but the easier thing would be to go back to the Edit menu and choose Select All, or use the keyboard shortcut Command A, which will select all the text in the document. Now for a quick review of the most important commands we have in the Edit menu. Cut, with a keyboard shortcut of Command X, will remove information from the document and move it to the clipboard. Copy, with a keyboard shortcut of Command C, will put a duplicate copy of the information on the keyboard. Paste, with a keyboard shortcut of Command V, will move information from the clipboard back to the document. Select All, with a keyboard shortcut of A, selects all the information in a document. And Undo, with a keyboard shortcut of Command Z, will undo the last edit that you made. I hope this video has helped you learn how the Edit menu can be used to change the information in your document, and be able to use these edit commands in your everyday word processing to make your work easier and faster.
It makes your body shake inside. It's all about electricity, mind. It's all about electricity sound, driving crazy the people around. It makes your body shake inside. It's all about